Where is the fuse box located in your 2007 Toyota FJ Cruiser? And what do the fuses control? In this guide, we'll explore the fuse box diagram and location to help you troubleshoot electrical issues and maintain your vehicle's essential functions. Engine compartment fuse box 1. The engine compartment fuse box typically contains fuses and relays responsible for critical components such as the engine, alternator, and cooling systems. It is usually located near the battery or close to the engine itself for easy access. Engine compartment fuse box 2. The engine compartment fuse box contains fuses and relays that manage critical systems like the engine, ignition, and charging components. It is usually positioned near the battery or engine for quick access and maintenance. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box is located inside the vehicle, usually beneath the dashboard or behind a side panel. It houses fuses that protect electrical components like the infotainment system, interior lights, and power windows.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.